Hi, this is Doug Spencer. I'd like to show you a new, easier, faster, and safer way to charge credit cards with PCMRP. This new method will allow your company to become 100% PCI compliant. And with this new method, you can accept ACH payments as well. So let's get started. For demonstration purposes, I've already created a customer invoice. To email a request for payment, I will select Modules, Invoice, Print, and select the invoice. To send the request for payment by ACH or credit card, I will check the ACH request checkbox. If you wish to email the invoice along with the request, select Email as PDF or just PDF. I will select PDF and press the OK button. PCMRP displays the customer's email address. If this is the customer's correct email address, click OK. When your customer receives the request, enters his credit card number, and presses the Submit button, you will receive an email informing you that your customer has submitted the payment. Notice that I did not have to enter the customer's credit card information. If the card had failed to go through, I would not have to call the customer back and enter another card number. Nor would I have to try again after 24 hours. Instead, all of this is handled by your customer. You will see the deposit in your bank account within 2 to 3 days. Let's go over to my email account, and we'll see if the payment has already been submitted. As you can see, the payment has been submitted by my customer. To process the payment in PCMRP's accounting module, I'll go back to PCMRP, and I'll select Modules, Accounting, Receive Customer Payments, and Online Payments. PCMRP will display the payment. I will check Print the Summary Report, and I will also press OK. PCMRP will automatically enter the accounting transactions and debit and credit the correct chart of accounts in my PCMRP accounting module. If you're using another accounting package such as QuickBooks, export the invoices to QuickBooks and record the payments in QuickBooks. We created this credit card and ACH option to allow our customers to become 100% PCI compliant and lower their liability risk. The fact that it's so much easier to use was a very pleasant surprise. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please call Doug Spencer at Software Arts, 408-226-7321. That's 408-226-7321. And thank you again.